Today we're making a facial mask. It's the clay facial mask. And we are going to add all the ingredients together and mix it up. I've already measured the ingredients, but I'll share what it is. This is the matcha, green matcha, bentonite clay, we have Moroccan red clay, we have turmeric, and then we have a coconut milk. It's kind of clumpy, but then we have activated charcoal. So, why do I use these ingredients? Well, bentonite clay is great for removing toxins from the body, and it treats oily skin and acne, and it detoxifies the skin, so that's why that's in there. And the Moroccan red clay is a great facial cleanser, and it's great in a mask, especially with those with sensitive skin. So clays contain minerals that soothe the skin and absorb excess oil, but the high levels of iron oxide in the red clay explain why it's particularly useful for purifying, brightening, and strengthening the skin. The turmeric contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory components, and these characteristics may provide glow and luster to the skin. And it may also revive the skin by bringing out its natural glow. It's also, as I mentioned, anti-inflammatory and has antioxidants in there. You know, this is great. I use it as a spot treatment. Sometimes when I don't have acne on a regular basis, but sometimes maybe, I don't know, depending on what I eat or my body's just reacting, and I get one or two spots that might come up. What I'll do is put this on just overnight. And I wanted to mention how you use this. So it is a dry powder. So what you need to do is just add a little bit to a container and and add whatever liquid is best for your skin. Some use apple cider vinegar, others just use distilled water. You can also use a tea, a juice, maybe a little bit of the serum that I make. That will have a different consistency though. It will be more of a oily thing. So what you want to do is just add enough to make a paste so it's spreadable on your skin. And once you put it on your face, you just let it sit for like 10 minutes and wash it off. That's how you would do it on a weekly basis. But for a spot treatment, I just dab it onto that spot and not too much. I'll let it sit there all night really because I want it to absorb and detox that little spot. And by morning, do you know that spot is like down flat and it's no longer, full of pus. So it really helps. And as you can see, we're using all natural ingredients. So I think it's great for all types of skin. If you don't have oily skin, just use it every once in a while, like once every 2 weeks or something, just to clean, do a deep clean on your skin. If you do have oily skin, I would suggest try once a week first. You don't want to over dry your skin, never, but just find a good amount of time in between that works for your skin. If you notice it's getting oily again, then go ahead and put this mask on, but again, no longer than 10 minutes, and wash it off. But the most important part is make sure you hydrate your skin after you take this off, and I would highly recommend using the SoapArtSF's facial serum. It has some great non-greasy oils, and it's very healing. It feels so good, and it has frankincense in there, which is great for your skin. So if you have any questions, just let me know. I'm going to put these in the bottles and get it all labeled up and ready. Thanks for watching today.